Hi guys, what's up? Titanium Tech here, and today I'm going to be doing the build for my mother's PC build, and yeah, I'm just going to go through all the parts first, and then I'm going to show you the build and the boot, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. So first off, let's just jump straight in. She had about I think it ended up being about 300, 320, sort of around that range. It was 350 with all the, with Windows, with all the keyboard, the mouse and everything. Yeah, start with the biggest thing here. The case, the Masterbox Lite 3. Really good case. I might actually do a review on it soonish. Really easy to build in actually. I was quite surprised for the price. Next, we've got a hard drive. Yeah, Seagate Barracuda 1TB. This isn't a 1TB one. I think this is a 250 gig one. Might be doing a video where I see what's inside of a hard drive. That could be fun and interesting. So yeah, this camera just keeps on shaking, but I'm going to keep on going. So if you're getting motion sick or something. Next, we've got the processor, i3 7100. Yeah, very fast. What she needs. The processor not here. I've actually done the build already, but I'm just going to go through the parts now. So if you don't get understand like what's happening in the video in terms of like what parts are being used, I'll show you now. Motherboard, MSI 110M Pro VH. Yeah, quality motherboard. Was going to go for the Eco variant, but didn't end up doing that. Next, got 8GB of QMOX RAM. Didn't think it'd be very good or look very nice, but actually when I got it, it looked really nice. I was really happy with the results for that. A quick thing, if you see any like black like in the video, then it'll be my strap, my thingy. Anti-static wristband, and then we've just got a 450 watt Corsair non-modular power supply. So yeah, that was everything. No graphics card. She's just going to be using this for work. And yeah, I do make a couple of mess ups in the video. Like I put the power supply in first, but realised I actually had to put the hard drive in first because it wouldn't fit in the case otherwise. Other than that, I know it's really short, the time lapse, but the build was actually only about half an hour, maybe a little bit less. So yeah, it was a really fun build. All the parts worked together really nicely. And yeah, I'm going to see you guys after the video, I guess. Okay then guys, so back to the shaky cam. Hope you guys have enjoyed that build. It did boot first time, which was really good. Very happy about all the RAM was detected first time, and yeah, nothing really was a problem. Other than I actually bought the Windows code with Kingwin. I watched the Paul's Hardware video and thought, oh, I'll save like 20-30 quid, go there instead, and it ended up working in the end, but did get a faulty key to start off with, and then had to go through the live chat system and got a proper code that was legit, since I did pay for the protection, which was nice. I also actually bought Microsoft Office from there, which also didn't work. Don't know if it's just bad luck or if they do sell dodgy keys. Well, they obviously do sell dodgy keys, but if everyone's a dodgy key. But once again, went through the live chat and then ended up working fine, which is good. So yeah, generally, like, you might think, oh, it's a bad experience then, but it was. It all started working in the end and ended up sending like 20 quid off. Probably around 40-50 quid in general savings just from picking to go with Kinguin, even though a little bit of trouble. Still worked fantastically. My mum's been using this PC for about 3 days at the time I'm recording this intro and outro, and she's really liking the speed of this. The only computer she's had before this is this shitty pre-made one, which she got for like 500 quid ages and ages ago, and that thing was it was slow when she got it. I remember her telling me, and yeah, this thing blows it out the water, even though it is only a dual core. But yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. The full specs, like, they don't seem that powerful, but when you're actually only using it for stuff like changing files from docs to PDF and having lots of tabs open, you don't need a gaming machine for simple stuff like this. Of course, if you're like a graphical designer or somebody who's doing a lot of workload, an editor or something, you're going to need a really beefy computer with a good graphics card, a good processor. But for my mum's sort of work, this thing does amazing. I probably could have even went with the Pentium instead of the i3, but I would have sacrificed some of that speed. I am also running off the integrated graphics, as you might know, seeing as I've not got a graphics card in there. It's running 1080p screen just fine. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend going with like a 1030, GTX 1030, if you're just going to be running like simple work. Of course, if your motherboard doesn't have a HDMI port or like a D sub port or whatever, then definitely go with like a separate graphics card to get them ports that you need to plug the monitor in. But if you don't have those ports on the motherboard, it might be worth spending that couple extra quid and just getting them ports, rather than having to spend like 30 quid extra for a graphics card, which you really don't need. So yeah, like I said in the intro, case was really fun to build in. Really clean look, really nice look, and everything worked really well. Power supply was really good. Corsair, I'm going to give a little shout out to Corsair right now. I did use my first ever PC build I did was with an EVGA 500 watt power supply for my computer, and it failed after about 2 months of use, which was really disappointing. We didn't know what the problem was, and EVGA won't refund anything. I don't know why, but I can't remember off the top of my head. It was ages and ages ago. But yeah, I picked a different power supply. I ended up going like I think it's platinum, 80 plus platinum right now. What I'm saying is, and that's been working fine. But when I built my brother's computer, and now I've built my mother's brother, then my brother and my mother's computer used Corsair power supplies, and I'm yet to have a problem with any of them. Really good price for performance. Just that if you're a first time builder, a computer sort of this, I know 450 watts is pretty overkill, but it was actually cheaper than when I was looking for a 300 watt, or it was like a couple quid in it, I think. So I was like, oh, I'll just get the 450, and then if she's getting upgrades in the future, if she wants to put a graphics card in it, then she can do. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this video. It really does help out a lot. Likes really helpful. If you didn't like this video, if you want me to change something, leave a dislike or a comment, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Click.